Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day and a new high, higher low. Volume remains very, very strong. So more of the story, updates need to be made here. So let's get into one of the newest areas of support. And this is what I would call the ideal level now going forward. Ideal meaning to say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could say up there above 67 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 67, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. And this is why it's very helpful, because as time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. And that's helpful because just from the grand scheme of things perspective in regards to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above that level would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, they just really don't matter. What do I mean? Well, what matters the most, and I think I've talked about this in past videos, is what the price has already been doing. And that's just right there, just building higher bases, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So just focus on healthy consolidations, focus on just chipping away and building higher bases, and sit back and let the overall trend continue to do its thing. But at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on putting the higher highs and higher lows like it did today, that's what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.